here what is the web server architecture generally follow. Okay, so this is a web application architecture you can see here. Okay, so basically you can see here we have the web client. So web client is a nothing but our browser. Okay, so whenever we request anything or search anything on the Google itself or any browser, it will generally send to the. So whenever we search anything on the browser itself, so it will goes to the web server first. Okay, so if suppose I type facebook.com, then first it will reach to the web server, and from the web server in the backend itself, it will reach to the either application server or it will goes to the static data store. Okay, so it is a we can say if your data is static, so it will not change much or it will stored in the itself, then it will goes to the static data store where everything will be stored on the backend of the server. If your web server is dynamic, like you just Instagram page, okay, so whenever we log into the Instagram or the Facebook page, it change every time. Okay, so on that part, it will reach to the application server. Okay, so here was server let request and the servlet response. So basically, servlet is not nothing but it is a request for to the web application server. Okay, and the whatever the response back from the web application things, it will response back to web server also. Okay, then after it will response back to us. Okay, okay, so this is the thing. Okay, so there are two types of things happen whenever we search or we surf anything. Okay, so if it is stored on the static data store, then it will easy to retrieve and it is retrieval is very fast rather than go to your application server. Okay, and it has also application data store that stores generally that type of information that is related to web application. Okay, and this is the thing for the working of the any web server that or any website that are running on the internet. Okay, so we can see three types of basic terminology we have to know. Okay, first is your web server. Okay, so basically server means serve the request, any type of serve things, any type of request, any type of things is defined, they have to serve. So basically here web server means it will have to serve the request for the web application. Okay, so here you can see is a computer or a system where the web content is stored. Okay, basically web server is used to host the website, but there exist other web server also such as gaming, storage, FTP, and email related things. Okay, so basically web server means the server or system or computer that store the web content. Okay, and whenever required, it will respond back to the user. So generally, what type of server we have? We have first, we can say basic web server architecture, website server, then also nowadays gaming related server, then storage related server, FTP related server, and the email related server also there. Okay, so it is called the web server. Second, website. All we know about the website. Okay, so it's a collection of web page. Okay, while web server is a software that responds to the request from the web resources. So basically, whatever the website or whatever things we have made, that's called a website or web application. And third part is a web page. Web page are the collection of the data, including images, data, files, hyperlink, database, and all located on the same computer on the internet. So it is called the web page. So basically, web server is a this is we can call client server architecture. Okay, so basically this is our client, this is our Google, Chrome or any browser, and this is a web server. Web server means application where hosted. Okay, so there will be some static page and there will be some dynamic page. Okay, so for dynamic page, it will goes to the application server, and the static page they have uh, the static data store. Okay, so from that generally all requests came if the data is static, not change or anything. And if suppose your application is related to the dynamic changes, then it will goes to application server and it will respond back to the web server. So generally if we just go to, so this is called the web application or the website. Okay, this is, and where it is hosted, so it is hosted on the AWS itself. On the AWS itself, it is called the web server. And if we just go to blogs and just go to knowledge center, okay, so you can see here this is the thing. So this is called the web pages, different type. So yeah, this is a ThinkCloudly is a website, is a collection of the web pages. Okay, whether it is image, whether it is a hyperlink, whether it is any other content. So this is called the web pages. If you just go to quiz, also you can see the other another web page. Okay, so that's the thing. If you just go to home and about, okay, so this is, you will see another page for the about page. Okay, you can see about us. So this is another page. Okay, so that's the part. That's a three part web server where the ThinkCloud is hosted. Okay, second website. So this is thinkcloudly.com is your website, and the web pages means the different types of collection. Okay, like if data, images, text file, hyperlink, database, every type of things. Okay, so this is a collection. ThinkCloudly is a collection of different types of web pages. Okay, so this is the thing.
Thank you for watching. Switch from non-IT to IT today. Explore www.thinkcloudly.com.